Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Our parking space is hiring for talent acquisition specialist role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. We are looking for a talent acquisition specialist to join our HR department and oversee our full cycle recruiting. Talent acquisition responsibilities include sourcing candidates through various channels, planning interview and selection procedures, and hosting or participating in career events. To be successful in this role, you should be able to develop long-term recruiting strategies and nurture trusting relationships with potential hires. Ultimately, you will create strong talent pipelines for our company's current and future hiring needs. Here are the responsibilities. Coordinate with hiring managers to identify staffing needs, determine selection criteria, source potential candidates through online channels, example social media platforms and professional networks, plan interview and selection procedures, including screening calls, assessments, and in-person interviews. Assess candidate information, including resumes and contact details using the application tracking system. Design job descriptions and interview questions that reflect each position's requirements. Lead employer branding initiatives. Organize and attend job fairs and recruitment events. Forecast quarterly and annual hiring needs by department. Foster long-term relationships with past applicants and potential candidates. Requirements and skills. Proven work experience as a talent acquisition specialist or similar role. Familiarity with social media, resume databases, and professional networks, example, Stack Overflow and GitHub. Hands-on experience with full cycle recruiting using various interview techniques and evaluation methods. Knowledge of applicant tracking system. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, a keen understanding of the difference between various roles within organization. Let us get to know about our parking space. India's first platform initiative for parking. Our vision is to accomplish a safety, reliable and convenient parking module. We understand how important parking is today. With the mission to reach target audience, we have started this mission. Our parking space is first initiative in India. So we are proudly the only organization taking care in this sector. Our car park management solutions are designed to reduce car park abuse, delight customers and maximize revenue. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After clicking on apply button, this website of our parking space will open. Then you have to click on this career option. After that, this tab will open where you will select talent acquisition and click on apply, and then this job application form will open. Here you have to fill basic details, email, name, phone number, and which position are you interested in, as this position is talent acquisition. After that, nationality, state, city, address, why we should hire you. You have to answer this question, and after that click on submit button and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.